Happy Washi Wednesday! Today I'm going to show you how to add a pocket to your bullet journal, your planner, or your calendar using washi tape. So I am going to start here with some gridded paper that I've already pre-cut to basically be half the height of my regular bullet journal page. And I'm simply going to take the 15 millimeter washi tape and I'm going to split the difference and do half on one side and then put the two pieces of paper together and then wrap it around on the other, attaching the two. And you're going to do this on 3 of your 4 sides, and you can use any color or pattern washi tape here. It's a great way to add that pop of color. You could even use colored cardstock or colored paper depending on your theme for the month to add a little bit more interest to this. I personally like the gridded paper because then I can use it to write on and make notes. I also oftentimes attach sticky notes to it because I always have this random pile of sticky notes laying around, and it's kind of a nice little place to keep them so that I know where to go with my brain dump sort of items that I've put on sticky notes. So I've wrapped 2 of the edges here, and I'm going to just simply take scissors and clean up those edges, and I'm going to do the bottom here as well. Now you could find a different washi tape to attach it to the bullet journal. I'm going to use the same one here, but a 15 millimeter also works perfect for this. Look at my little pocket, so cute. You're going to want to line it up on the crease right in the center, and you're going to want to be careful to make sure it really does fall there because it makes it easier to flip it when you are actually using the bullet journal, and you want it to flip with ease to get to the page that is behind it. So I'm just laying that washi tape over the edge, and I'm just marking right over the edge I kind of created with the original washi tape. I suppose you could skip the part in the middle, but I honestly just feel like it's more secure this way. You're going to want to cut it with a straight edge and get a really clean line so that it doesn't get kind of flubbed up while you're flipping throughout the month. And then I like to do the other side as well, just to make sure that it is secure, make sure it won't fall out. And again, for the ease of flipping it from side to side when you're in a hurry and when you're actually using this throughout the month, that is the best way to reinforce it. And look at that, my cutie little pocket. I personally use it for my to-do list. I have these pre-printed to-do lists, and I like that it sticks out of the top of mine. And I also, once I mark through some of the items, I always want to start a new to-do list, and you don't want to have to put that in a permanent page a lot of times. So a pocket is a great way to add your to-do list. I have little stickers I can put in here. I have this cute little ruler that I use when I'm actually laying out my bullet journal, so sometimes you can stick that in there if you're on the go. Again, sticky notes on the top of it is how I use it, but you could use it to decorate and make notes. You could do, a thick sort of watercolor paper and do anything with the pocket style. Hope you guys found this tip helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on all things washi, from DIYs to our Wednesday washi tips. And as always, happy Washi Wednesday, guys.